My name is Yashpal Sharma. I am the Group Managing Director for Skyways. So the logistics sector in India is evolving really, really fast. And we are seeing also the government walking at a very, very rapid pace today with the kind of changes, whether it is in the infrastructure, whether it is in the regulatory framework. What we need to do is we need to sync the industry and these government changes in real quick time. There are certain changes that are required from the industry side, which we would like the government to address more, and it's really important that whatever these changes that are being implemented in the industry are done across the country, across all the ports, all airports of the country. What we see is there are times that there are certain bit of changes that are implemented at certain airports or certain ports, but they're not done uniquely or uniformly across the country. It is very, very essential that the government is able to roll out whatever initiatives they are doing across the length and breadth of the country. Highways is a very, very varied and diversified group. We have services running from air freight, ocean freight, trucking, express and e-commerce logistics. We are also in the learning space. We teach logistics. We have an IT company which gives IT solutions to various logistics companies of the country. We also have an LCL consolidation company. So Skyways works across various products, verticals of logistics in India and also 10 other countries around the world. Well, such events are of immense value to all logistics organizations. The industry, logistics thrives and grows on collaborations. And it is events like these that bring all stakeholders together. At this kind of an event, which is bringing in people from the airports, seaports, shipping lines, airlines, freight forwarders, trucking companies, express companies, technology companies, it is bringing everybody together, and we've also seen government participation here. So it's a great opportunity for everybody to come together and offer their solutions and look at areas of collaboration with each other. Well, technology over the last 3 decades has played a very, very active role in shaping up the logistics industry as it is today. And as we see the size of the consignments becoming smaller and smaller with the advent of e-commerce, now quick commerce, technology will play a very, very key role in shaping up how the industry performs. The customer today is somebody who needs a solution very, very quick, very, very fast, and will also want the visibility of anything and everything that they're ordering. So the visibility and the operational excellence can only come in through technology. And we see various tech companies from around the world coming up with very, very innovative solutions for our industry. And I'm sure that, going into the future, we will, as an industry, come together, work with the technology partners to ensure that there are very, very good and active solutions that we are able to create for any and every customer, 7 billion customers around the world. Personally, have not really used the app much, but my team has, and they have been extremely appreciative of the app. To the point that you can actually scan anybody's entry pass, and you can get the entire information into your own address book, which is a great feature. You can book appointments with anybody. You can fix up your meeting so you get to know whoever is being there at this event. I think the app is very interactive, and I must compliment the team here for setting out something like this, which is unique. I mean, I've seen various apps around the world for events, but I think this is a step up. So my heartiest congratulations to the team. I think it's a great piece of work. The exhibition is comparable to any exhibition of the world. I've attended various events around the world, and I must compliment that this is as good as it gets. And it's really not just comparable, but probably it beats most of the good exhibitions that I've been to everywhere in the world. And bringing everybody together, bringing all stakeholders together. I must compliment the team for doing an excellent work with regard to bringing the entire industry together. Because it's only as much as you can do by yourself, and ultimately an event like this needs everyone, including the customer, to be here. And I think the team at IICS has done exceptionally well in bringing the customers here. So my compliments.